Hey everyone, welcome to Wizard Explains. This is me, Wajahat. Today we'll be creating a custom ID card using Python inside Google Colab. So let's get started. First, we will write this prompt on ChatGPT and copy the provided code. I have shared the prompt in description. Paste the code in the new notebook. Let's get started by setting up our Colab environment. First, make sure you have the following prerequisites: the Pillow library for working with images, your font file, I'll be using Arial, a logo or watermark, and your profile picture. Upload your assets to Colab so we can access them in the script. Now modify the code with your own pictures, PIAIC logo's path, and your details. I also have provided the code in the description as well. Run the code now. And there you have it. We've successfully created a personalized ID card using Python inside Google Colab. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Python projects. Thanks for watching.